Let's get a check-in now on the weather. Joining us is our meteorologist Rob Sharpe. Rob, there's been some wild storms in the last 24 hours. Will we see more today?
And we will indeed. Northeast New South Wales and southeastern Queensland are the main threat zones for storms today after we saw some pretty big hail around in New South Wales yesterday. Some of it classed as giant hail, greater than 5 centimetres in diameter. Across the New South Wales region, very active storm region yesterday. Into this morning, it's pretty much all eased back, but there's still a little bit of wet weather around. Some coastal showers for Sydney at the moment and into Newcastle, but the bulk of the thunderstorm activity is gone. But for southeastern Queensland, it was primarily about the lightning and the heavy rainfall causing flooding, especially the Moreton Bay area. Totals as high as 128 millimetres recorded, and as many as 200,000 lightning strikes reported as well in the region. So very active in southeast Queensland yesterday, and it's still a bit of wet weather in Brisbane and up to the Sunshine Coast. Totals have been pretty big, 30 millimetres or so around Gladstone, 23 for Kingaroy, Brisbane itself 57, but widespread falls of 30 to 90 in the area, and 12 for Sydney, 27 in Canberra, which caused some flash flooding yesterday because it fell in a pretty rapid space of time. Through today, a few showers along the New South Wales coastline, but the severe storms will pick up this afternoon around that border area of northeast New South Wales and southeast Queensland. Heavy rain is the main threat today, but on the Queensland side of the border, we could also see some damaging gusts and also some large hail today. Elsewhere, wet through the north, heavy rain still continuing in Broome this morning, and we may see some of that wet weather drift back into Fitzroy Crossing again, unfortunately. Showers and storms through the north with areas of rain for the northeast of Queensland, including Townsville today, and through the southeast corner, remaining on the cool side of things with just a chance of a morning shower in Hobart, but it's hot on the west coast. Last day of the heat wave in Perth, Danica.
And Rob, what does the weather look like as we head into the weekend?
It's looking like an improving trend for the east coast. So tomorrow, still showers around, mainly for the New South Wales coastline, where they'll pick up a bit more for Sydney tomorrow. But then on Saturday, still some showers, but Sunday looks to be notably drier for the east coast. And up through the tropical regions, it's a similar story. We've got that band of wet weather moving through today and tomorrow, attached to a developing tropical low. That'll move off and away though for Saturday and Sunday, so the wet weather will retreat to mainly north and west of about Cairns. Looking drier for many parts of the east by Sunday.
Okay, Rob Sharpe, thank you for the update.